Hi, this is Shalon Hildreth with eXp Realty, and I am looking at your beautiful home on Zillow, and I've noticed that you've been on here for quite some time, about 316 days. Not sure how accurate that is, but just wanted to reach out to you to see if there's anything that I can do to help you move your home. And I'm reaching out as well to say that I do things a little bit different. I'm pretty sure that you've been inundated with many real estate agents calling and saying the exact same thing about how they can get your home sold, what they're going to do, their marketing plan. But as you can see, I'm a little bit different from your average agent. So with that being said, my promise to you is that if you can give me about 15 to 30 minutes of your time to introduce myself, take a look at your home, to find out what type of marketing you've done, to also show you my marketing plan. I promise you this. I promise you I'm not going to pressure you to get a listing. I'm not going to pressure you to list your home. But I just want to see if there is a connection that we can make, a relationship that both you and I feel comfortable with about me selling your home for you, getting your home sold. In the market today, it's all about touching, putting out the home in the public's eye, making sure that they can see your home. It's all about where your home is being placed. And with Zillow is worldwide. It's a great tool to use to market your home, but I have so many other tools that I use that I would love to sit down with you and show you how I get homes sold in less time than your average agent. So with that being said, if you're comfortable with about 15 to 30 minutes of your time, I'd love to sit down with you and have a conversation. And I know that together we can do a great job of getting your home out in front and absolutely in front of the most opportune buyers in your market so that we can get your home sold for top value in today's market. If you have any questions, if you're interested in what I have to offer, feel free to just send a text back to the number that this came from, and I'd love to work with you.